Welcome back to TR3 Performance, guys. Here we have something special. 2026 992.2 Porsche GT3 in gray Neo. One of our top clients, Kenny here, brought this beautiful car in for full body paint protection. We'll be doing windshield protection, tints as well, and we do have some more goodies in the back. He's got a nice roll cage from Competition Motorsports going in, color match, the same color of the vehicle. And lastly, we'll be doing a Sole Performance valved catback system, so stay tuned to see how this car will sound. So this car is not only a GT3, but it's a GT3 Weissach package. With the Weissach package, you do get these carbon options, as you can see on the front end, no longer compared to the GT3 RS that's all plastic. The 992.2 GT3 comes with the front bumper caps in carbon, has a Weissach logo on the front end, beautiful gold wheels, and to match the gold wheels, all the logos on the side, Porsche logo on the door, and the Weissach logo on the rear wing to match the wheels on this car. The Weissach package also includes this carbon exposed stripe going down the center of the hood all the way to the back. Let's take you to the inside of the car to show you how our clients spec the interior out. So one of the biggest difference between the 992 and the 992.2 are the seats. As you can see, they don't have the original pass-throughs that it's just two on each side, but now it is one piece with the logo, has the Weissach embroidered on the headrest. So the seat is completely different compared to the 992.
you.